Hello and welcome to my video about how to increase your productivity while studying. My name is Tahreem and I am a student who is passionate about learning and productivity. So let's start this video quickly without wasting your time. Tip 1. Know your goals. The first and most important tip when it comes to increasing your productivity while studying is to know your goals. It is essential that you have a clear understanding of what you are trying to accomplish, and this will help you stay focused and motivated. By setting specific goals and objectives, you will have something to strive for and will be more likely to stay on track throughout the duration of your studies. Tip 2. Create a steady routine. Creating a steady routine is one of the best ways to increase your productivity while studying. Having a regular schedule for when and how you study will help you stay organized and on track. You should also make sure to take regular breaks throughout your study sessions, as this will help you stay focused and energized. Tip 3. Make use of technology. Technology can be a great tool for increase your productivity while studying. There are several applications and websites that can help you stay organized and motivated. For example, there are apps that can help you track your progress, such as Evernote and Trello. Additionally, there are websites that offer online courses and tutorials, such as Coursera and Khan Academy. Tip 4. Utilize visual aids. Visual aids can be a great way to help you better understand and retain the material you are studying. You can use charts, diagrams, and posters to help you visualize the material you are studying and make it easier to remember. Additionally, you can create your own visual aids, such as mind maps and flashcards, to help you break down the material into more manageable chunks. Tip 6. Manage your time effectively. Time management is an essential skill when it comes to increasing your productivity while studying. You should make sure to plan out your study sessions and tasks ahead of time and create a timeline for when you need to complete each task. Additionally, make sure to set realistic goals and give yourself enough time to complete each task. Tip 7. Use positive self-talk. Positive self-talk is also an important factor when it comes to increasing your productivity while studying. Make sure to talk to yourself in a positive and encouraging way and remind yourself of your goals and objectives. Additionally, avoid using negative self-talk, as this can be detrimental to your productivity and motivation. Guys, take a second and please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friend and family. Last but not the least, don't forget to share your feedback in comment section. Conclusion. In conclusion, increasing your productivity while studying is possible if you know your goals, create a steady routine, make use of technology, utilize visual aids,